Hello and welcome. This is Chef Mitesh from Tango Tamari restaurant in Juhu, Mumbai. I'm going to be showing you our signature vegetarian dish today, which is the Avo Herb Garden. For that, we obviously need an avocado. Use a good quality Hass avocado to get the best results. In the stuffing, we're going to be making an edamame hummus. So for the edamame hummus, we need edamame pods, obviously, some lime juice, some salt, some olive oil, and some tahini. We get this consistency, which you can put in a piping bag. You can take this mousse and pipe it right at the center of the plate. We will use some soy sauce. This is just a little bit of seasoning so that the avocado is not bland. I don't want the spice to go anywhere beyond this, so I'm just using some butter pepper. Now we'll use a mix of white and black sesame and we will sprinkle it on top. So your avocado is ready. Now what we do is we take the piping bag and we pipe it. Nice swirls, make it look like a little softy cone. We sprinkle some chives on top. Use some flowers. So you can use your nacho chips, you can use corn tortilla, you can use any kind of chips that you particularly like. So these herbs are not just for show. You can also use microgreens, you can also essentially use ingredients which will add to the overall flavor of your dish. Curd parsley obviously are mainly for garnish. This is it.